NOVERGY, power generation for generations. NOVERGY Solar brings immense project development and execution strength to our B2B customers who are looking to harness the power of sun to embark on a journey towards sustainability. Supreme Gadigaon is one such customer. Supreme has been a market leader in India's plastic industry. Founded in 1942, Supreme is an acknowledged leader of India's plastics industry, handling volumes of over 320,000 tons of polymers annually, effectively makes the country's largest plastics processors. When they approached NOVERGY for help to build an integrated storage yard with solar system, the intent of the initiative was to not only utilize space available for storage but also generate solar energy and reduce their electricity bills. Supreme was also keen to derive benefit from the accelerated depreciation policy announced by the Government of India, thereby reducing their income tax liability. Compliance with RPO regulations was another benefit they were seeking. NOVERGY was expected to design, develop and execute the entire solution with single-point responsibility across all stages of the project. NOVERGY started with mapping customer requirements with respect to space availability, operational requirements and current operating practices. An engineering plan was put together very quickly that included elements of procurement and supply. The engineering plan also incorporated cost optimization without any compromises on the design and system reliability parameters. Adequate attention was provided to ensure field protection of finished goods stored against solar radiation and heat. The engineering plan also made sure that minimum solar energy CUF was achieved and the system delivered would be extremely rugged with minimal maintenance issues. Once the engineering plan was signed off by the customer, execution phase of the project began. Major components of the project included 4,800 very high-efficiency solar photovoltaic modules, model PCAL320, 40 solar inverters, model IGPB34, 8 solar JB and protection systems, 2 solar AC LT panels, and solar mounting structure and cabling. NOVERGY teams designed the system using latest 3D modeling techniques that were shared with the customer for approval. Once the approval was attained, civil work like site contouring, marking, foundation work and column casting was completed. Structural work included structural steel fabrication, painting, erection and final alignment to maximize solar system's performance. The execution team ensured that solar module erection on top of the structure was done as per the approved design to ensure reliable solar energy supply. A lot of attention was given to smallest details like earthing, wire and cable selection, cabling, AC JB and AC LT panel erection and commissioning, while the personnel from customer team were trained on the complete solar system. Supreme Gadigaon has been yet another feather in NOVERGY's cap in the long list of success stories. The project received great review from the Supreme team for its project delivery done with precision. The most important point is that the solar energy generation is well exceeding the client expectations, hence delivering a better return on investment. NOVERGY, power generation for generations.